let's see. So we got some extra heads, the new style heads. Got some trash bags. Behind that's the bottle jacks. Got our grease guns. Got our pull-out testing equipment, scale, some extra stakes, a bunch of chains for the pull-out testing, mag base for the pull-out test, the micrometer, our extra hook and beam clamp setting in there. We got a blank head and then a universal waffle. This side. So this is actually meant to have 2 tripods for our 2 beam pipe lasers. The other one's at shop or at the home. Rotary laser, PPE. We got our nitrogen kit. We got actually a safety kit behind that. Controller, tub of towels, and then all the sockets and wrenches and everything we can need to work on this thing whenever it starts loosening up, because it just happens. So that, let me open up this door, is an at a glance decent amount of storage. And there she be.